morning guys. Today is a very exciting day. We actually just made it to UJI, and apparently UJI is like the matcha capital of Japan. I've actually always wanted to come here. So we literally just arrived by train. It's still pretty early. It's only about maybe 10 a.m. at the moment. And right now we're literally just exploring the streets. I do have a ticket to go into a cafe which I saw was really popular. I'll link it on the screen and insert some B-roll footage of it. Literally everything here is matcha, matcha drinks, matcha food, matcha everything, and I'm literally in heaven. If you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love matcha. So yeah, I'm very excited to be here. And then later on today we're actually doing a matcha experience where we can go to a museum and stone mill our own matcha, which I think is really cool. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we go there, but for now let's just get a matcha and explore. To Nakamura Tokichi. We waited a very long time to get in here, so if you do come to this cafe, definitely come as early as you can. We waited probably maybe more than 45 minutes, so it was very long, and I'm really hoping that everything lives up to the hype. But we got a mixture of sweets and noodles as well, so I'll show you guys what that looks like when it comes out. We're actually going to be doing a matcha grinding experience. I'm very excited to do this. I saw this experience online and it looks like so much fun to do. I'll leave all the information down in the description box below, but basically we're going to go through a walkthrough of how matcha is made, where it came from, and then do an actual grinding experience and tasting our own matcha. I think this is such a cool thing to do. So yeah, we're here now. We have about 10 minutes before we start the experience, so I'll show you guys how the whole process goes. I'm very excited to taste my own matcha. I will say this whole experience was $126 AUD for 4 of us together, which I think is a pretty good deal for the amount of stuff that you get to do today. I believe the whole duration is about 1 hour, and there is an English translator throughout the whole experience too. So yeah, if you guys want to try something like this out, I would highly recommend doing it.